I want to talk about this grill brush that Blacksmith family sent me to do a video on. First impressions, this thing is rugged. It's got solid construction. It's got a little bit of weight to it, which is great. You know, it's going to hold up over time. And one of the other nice things about this, you can see this isn't just the bristles. This has got the kind of, I guess I called it a swirly pattern on it. Now the thing with the bristle brushes, they're good for getting the grill clean, but you run into a little bit of trouble with sometimes the bristles come off, and that's bad news, obviously. First thing to do, you get your grill going, let it get good and hot for a little while. You can see mine right there. I didn't clean it the last time I cooked it, so it needs a little bit of love, and it's easy. Have a bowl of cold water outside with you, and you will simply put it on the grates, and you'll keep scrubbing until they're clean and free of any debris. And you can see right here it's working like a charm. And there are two sides to this. You have kind of the top part. It's got a little bit of a scraper on it. If you've got some really stuck on bits, you can use that initially. My grill was not in that rough a shape, so I did not need to use that today. Now this is going to be great for every kind of grill. You can use it on charcoal, porcelain. Right here I'm using it on a propane grill. You're going to get great results out of this no matter what type of grill you're using it on. If you'd like to pick up one to clean your grill, please click on the link in the description below.